Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming parts and tools so assembly moves quickly. This avoids backtracking later. Once done, remove the chassis and separate small packs. Lay screws in a tray. Insert the main axle into the chassis slot with a gentle push, aligning the tabs. You should feel a light click. Make sure to orient the motor housing in the same direction as the instruction icons. This prevents misalignment later and saves time when adding wheels. Now you install the drive components. This step creates motion so precision matters. Slide the motor module into place and press until the contact pins seat. If pins misalign, stop and reorient. Next, arrange gears in the sequence shown, making sure teeth mesh without gaps. Rotate them manually to verify smooth engagement. Then secure the gear cover with the designated screws. Tighten just until snug, because over-tightening can bind the gear train and hamper speed or cause wear. Finish by fitting wheels and the outer shell. This completes the build so test immediately. Place each wheel on its axle and press hub caps until they sit flush. Spin them by hand to confirm free rotation. Once the shell is snapped down, press power briefly on a flat surface and observe movement. If noise or pulling occurs, stop. One key troubleshooting tip is to recheck gear alignment and screw tightness. Loosen slightly, realign gears, then red-tighten to eliminate binding and restore smooth operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.